subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has launched two new affordable A series phones in India called Galaxy A04 and Galaxy A04e. Both of these devices looks identical but are different in terms of specifications, and among these two, the Galaxy A04e is the most affordable phone under this series. Now let's take a look at the specifications of the Galaxy A04e smartphone.
The Galaxy A04e supports a 6.5-inch HD+ display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie shooter with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features a dual camera setup at the top left corner that houses a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Galaxy A04e comes powered by MediaTek Helio P35 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. The smartphone packs with 3 or 4GB of RAM that can be extended up to 4GB by using internal storage, and it has 32, 64 or 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on One UI 4.1 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.2 by 75.9 by 9.1mm, and it weighs around 188 grams.
So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone.
The Galaxy A04e has been priced in India for 3GB plus 32GB storage variant at 9,299 Indian rupees, while the 3GB plus 64GB storage model is priced at 9,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 11,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in light blue and copper color options.
So what do you guys think of this Galaxy A04e smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.